Look out. You might say we're off the main road. And I have 750 stairs to climb. We just got off the main road and boom, this is what it looks like. You sure? That's definitely a rental, or it's a rental, or whatever you want to call him. You got me in the wrong place. This isn't right.
It says arriving.
Huh? Arriving? All right. Looks like he didn't know either. It's got to be that place on the left. I'm looking. Should be a sign, I would think. Okay. Now what? Ain't here. Go look. You can go try back there. I think your directions are wrong. We ain't arriving. That thing. That's it. Right there. Ain't no person's home. Let's go. Right there.
That's right there.
Right there above that big thing. Right there. That's it. Let's go. I didn't see. I figured it'd be on the left side, not the right. But that's an awesome little thing. Gotta be it.
Not it.
Where do I park? That ain't it. All right. All right, now we gotta ask. That ain't it. That's cool though.
Excuse me. Sir, saan po po Mount Tapyas?
Where?
Saan po?
You have to go back as you go down.
I'll go back and down.
Yeah, as you go down, turn left. Then after 860 meters, you'll find a way up the hill to the left.
Oh.
Thank you.
GPS said it was here. It said we arrived. I knew we didn't. Nice place there. Yeah, 600 meters. I figured there's gotta be a sign. Alrighty, we're off. Gotta be 600 meters. No, that's not even. That's a cool place.
That's us.
600 meters. That's a long way. And we're gonna see lots of people. Look at that, they quit working on it. Oh man, really? There's gonna be a sign. There's no way there's not going to be a sign.
It's possible.
600 meters. We can follow him, I'll bet you. No, he doesn't have any. There ain't nothing up here but that. I got no problem with asking, but all right, ask. We haven't even gone 600 meters.
Dili pang put 600 meters.
Yeah, 600 meters. That's what the man said.
No,
I
it's
asked and knew what he was talking about. But this is what confused us. We are Ocean Bay. That's where we ate. Ah. Covered 400 meters. 2 blocks.
That's for sale.
What's wrong with your Apple phone? Oh. I haven't seen a single block, but we've gone 100 meters. There's a block, I guess. I guess we'll eat at the rib joint. If I survive all these stairs.
Mount Tapyas.
Here we go. Yeah, we're climbing. Shoot, that's it right there. Everybody going up for sunset. Here we go, 750. I'll take a buku juice. Oh, in a bottle, I'll take 2. All right, 70 pesos, $1.10. How much, Shelby?
20.
I have no idea what it is.
Isang hotdog lang.
Those are fried hot dogs, fellas. Two Seasons Hotel where we stayed 3 years ago. Right there is where you get on Go Island Hopping and Whirl. Okay, down to 730 stairs. We'll give her some energy. Go, go. He's waiting. He's waiting. He's been up there for 15 minutes. You guys have a good one. Okay. I don't think I need to go any higher. Right there's the top. This is good. Why didn't you go to the top?
I'm sorry.
All right, we got a sunset. See, that's going to be an awesome building when it's done. The best place here, probably. I don't know what that is.
It's the Sky Lodge.
What is it?
I think that's the Sky Lodge Hotel Resort.
Okay. And right down here are all the boats. There's the market that we will be getting our food from in the morning. And the boat right there, but last year the boat actually met us right there. The Two Seasons Hotel. We stayed at 3 years ago. The yellow one was there last year. It's a transport boat with a car on it, etc., etc. Nothing fancy.